Hi guys, today you are watching RX 100 which is fully ported, and you can see it looks like a stock RX 100, but you can see the bore which is there is 135 and it is E2, and which is fully ported by Irfan Prince, and which is 132 cc, and we have fully ported this one, and the carburetor is remaining the stock one, but we need to change this carburetor. And the chain sprocket is of 135 sprocket, which is 39 teeth, and this RX 100 can easily go up to the top speed is gonna be 160, which I have rotated till here, and this speedometer got broken. And this is the power of the RX, and you can also see when I can start this motorcycle, you can hear this sound. First of all, we need to turn on the petrol, main mandatory things to start in a two-stroke. Then